Gonna teach you how to use your voice in Suno.ai. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In Suno AI, you are able to upload your own voice and you can use it to cover songs. You can extend your voice, anything that you'd like. So visit Suno either through the website or download the mobile app. And once you go over to the Create tab, usually located at the left, as you can see here, one of the options is going to be to upload new audio. So switch over from simple to custom and then click on the plus sign next to audio. In here, you will either see the option to upload or record. If you already have a recording of your voice, you can upload. Alternatively, choose the record option and start recording directly from Suno. So click the green or the red button, sorry, and the limit by default is going to be 1 minute. You can extend it for up to 8 minutes by upgrading. So keep that in mind. Once you have the clip recorded, it is going to be uploaded into Suno and you have the option to cover audio in any song style using your own voice, or you can extend this audio. You can also save it to your library if you aren't sure what you want to do with it quite yet. So now the audio that you recorded will be available here of your own voice. You might see a description below it, and then you can go over to the remix option and choose what you want to do. Cover, extend, reuse, change the speed. You will see a bunch of information. You can add lyrics, remix, and so on. And you can use your voice for all sorts of things inside of Suno AI. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.